How to fix no GPS signal lost in Oppo Reno 14f. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option battery. Now click on battery and then click on power saving settings. Now here you can see the option sleep standby optimization. If you turn this button on, then turn it off. After turn off this button, then go back and click on system and update and then click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back and click on backup and reset. Now click on reset phone and here you can see the option erase all data, and here you can enter the password to erase all your data. Erase all data basically means factory data reset. It will remove all the data in your device like photo, video, documents. Everything will be removed in your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.